In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find fonts in Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or just getting started with your creative journey, knowing how to identify and work with fonts in Illustrator can greatly enhance your workflow and design capabilities. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. If you haven't done this before, simply locate the Illustrator icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and give it a click. Once the program is up and running, you're ready to start working on identifying fonts within your images. Next, carefully click on the JPEG image that contains the font you want to inspect. Keep in mind, the tools we're about to use are particularly helpful when you're trying to match or identify fonts used in an existing design or photograph. Now, turn your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find the menu bar. Look for the Windows option and click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu displaying various tool panels available for use within Adobe Illustrator. Among these, there's one special tool that we are interested in today. From the drop-down, you'll want to select Retype. This feature is incredibly useful because it lets you interact with text in images and can identify potential font matches for you. It's a very handy tool, especially when dealing with printed materials or digital graphics where you don't have access to the original text source. Having selected Retype, go ahead and click back onto your JPEG image. With the image selected, click on Retype once more to initiate the analysis of the font in your image. At this point, Illustrator's smart technology works to decipher the font style and find similar fonts that are available in your library or online. Adobe Illustrator will present you with a range of font suggestions that closely match the ones in your image. This selection can include both installed fonts on your computer and additional fonts available through Adobe Fonts. It's a fantastic way to ensure consistency in your designs, especially when integrating new elements with existing ones. So there you have it, a straightforward way to find and identify fonts in Adobe Illustrator. Utilizing this tool not only saves you time, but also expands your ability to maintain design cohesiveness by matching fonts accurately. Keep experimenting and exploring. Our creativity only grows with the tools we learn to master. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of Adobe Illustrator and other creative design tools. Until next time, happy designing!